What's up, family? How you guys doing? What's up? It's EnnyGele here again, and today I'm doing this beautiful style called round and ruffles. And you know how we do this Gele thing now. So firstly, you have to lay down your edges. Make sure you lay down your edges. If you're tying for a bride, but if you're tying for a mannequin, there's no need for that. You don't need to lay your edges down. You just need to get started. And so after I'm done laying my edges, then I pick my base pleats. So this is gonna be a V-shape routine. For those of you who are new to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button, and for those of you who have been viewing this channel and have not subscribed yet, for those of you who have not joined the family yet, what are you waiting for? Now is the time to click that subscribe button, and let's get started, because the videos I'll be dropping on this channel, you don't ever want to miss out. And also turn on your notifications so that you can be the first to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Alright, without much time being wasted, let's get to it. So all you need is to pick your base pleat, and pick your base pleat, let's say 5 to 6. For those of you who are used to this channel, you know how many pleats we pick. But if you're pro already, you can pick more than 6. You can pick up to 7 to 8 pleats. Something you can work with, something you can always control. So after laying down the first part of the V-shape base, all you need to do is align the second part, pick your pleats, pick your base pleat. So this is a V-shape, like I said from the beginning. So on the other side, which is my left side, I picked about 6 to 7 pleats, and on this side you can pick 6 to 7 pleats or more, depending on what you can work with. And after you lay down your pleats, make sure to pin down at the end. Make sure you pin down. How do you pin down? You bring the top pleat, the one on top, you lay it on top, and you pin by pinching the edge of your fabric and pinching the one below, then swinging in and pushing in straight. Make sure your pin is not showing. All right, so to continue, you pick your 4 from the longer end and you lay them down. Ensure that your pleats are well laid and they are very neat. Make sure your pleats are neat. There's nothing like a very neat and fine gele, so you want to ensure you achieve that while you're tying your own gele at your leisure or wherever you are. All right, so pick your 4 pleats all the way. I don't like when people do lazy man work. Make sure you pick all the 4 complete. All right, so after that you pin at the back. So after you pin at the back, you want to start picking your round. So like I said, this style is a combination of round and ruffles on the side. So I made sure this video is not fast forwarded at all. So that you guys can see every part of it. You can see every step of what I'm doing. You can get to see me doing my thing gradually. Gele doesn't have to be a rush. You don't have to rush all the process. You just have to take your time. For those of you who are new tying gele, make sure you take your time. Don't rush yourself. The better you practice, the more you practice, definitely you get better at it. Practice does not always make perfect, but practice makes you improve. It brings improvement, and improvement leads to perfection. So make sure you practice. Make sure you keep practicing. So now lay down your pleats, lay down your round pleats from the middle. You can see I started picking my pleats at the middle, and I'm going to lay it down to the other side. So after you're done laying it down to the other side, you're gonna tuck in, which is you're gonna drag it in. And for those of you who don't know how to drag in, kindly check my other videos where I showed how to drag in your pleats or your gele on that side. All right, so guys, so continue. You have to continue arranging your pleats. Continue arranging your pleat to the middle. Keep going. Make sure you arrange your pleats. Make sure each pleat is the same size, equal sizes. That's the way you'd slay your gele, making your gele look flawless. You want to make sure it's as if you use a tape rule to measure each of your pleats. So For those of my DIY, the DIYs I've been posting, I've not been using, I mean, my normal voice note, just because it is not my regular tutorial videos. But I mean, once in a while I'll be dropping, or let me say I will be dropping voice note now. I mean, much said that most people comment that they don't get to understand everything. I mean, that's why I call them DIY short. So other videos, I mean the normal video, the tutorials that I drop would still be dropping, and kindly bear with us because we've not been shooting. So these are shoots with makeup artists, and I have to just record for you guys so that you guys can see and you guys can learn something. All right guys, so now this is me picking my ruffles. How do you pick your ruffles? All you need to do is squeezing. Make sure you squeeze in all your material, I mean on top of each other, and once you get to the top, you pick two loose edges, and you pin them together. So you repeat the same, you keep doing it till you're done. That is still the same thing you keep doing till you finish all the process. So pick it again and pin down. Exactly, so this is the same thing you're going to be doing all through till you're done. And once you're done, all you want to do is just adjust your gele to perfection. Make sure you do your finishing touches. I'm always particular about finishing touches. Finishing touches is very important. It's one of the most important thing, I mean that comes to any artwork. No artwork will really look that great if the finishing touches are not well or properly applied. So make sure you apply your finishing touches. If you need to shape it to a round, perfect round shape, or you need to tighten up your pleats, or tighten up the ruffles, go ahead, just do you and take your time. So once you're done, this gele is slaying. I mean, look at this. This is premium. This is screaming class. This is screaming luxury. So for those of my brides abroad, for those of my brides who want to book me, who are not in Nigeria, I mean, you can always reach me on my Instagram. My Instagram is EnnyGeleCraft, and you can like